So just went to go check my mail and I already got a recall notice for my Tacoma. So the recall notice states that the upper child seat anchors of the involved vehicles may not have been welded sufficiently and may not meet minimum strength requirements. Vehicles with upper child seat anchor welds that do not meet strength requirements do not comply with applicable regulations in the U.S. An insufficient weld may allow the child seat to move during a sudden stop or crash, increasing the risk of injury. Boy, I would hate to know how Toyota stumbled onto this one, but it's a good thing that they're addressing it. And as you can see, I have a car seat in my car, but fortunately, my child just sits in a booster seat, so I don't use the anchor system in question. We just use a regular seatbelt. So the welds in question are the child seat anchor points located behind the seat backs of your rear seat in your Tacoma, and they're located back here. So we have these child seat anchor points over here, one on that side, one in the middle, and then also another one on this side behind the seat back. You just have to recline that down. I guess these welds on certain models may fail during a crash, which is obviously not a good thing. Let me see. That feels okay. I didn't put too much pressure on them. So my first service on the Tacoma is coming up. It's gonna be my first 5,000 mile service, and obviously I'm gonna have them take a look at this recall as well. And according to the letter, Toyota says obviously the inspection will be free of charge, and if there's any issues with these welds, they're gonna repair it free of charge. It does state that the inspection should take 1 hour. So if any insufficient welds are found, Toyota will coordinate with a third-party collision center to add additional welds to the affected child seat anchors. They say the welding process should take about 8 hours. However, depending on Toyota's schedule, third-party collision center schedule, it may be necessary to make the vehicle available for a longer period. Your dealer may provide you with a loaner vehicle for the duration of the third-party collision center and performing the welding repair of your vehicle. So obviously this is a pretty serious safety risk. So if you do use a child seat with the anchor points, obviously you don't want to rely solely on that system. I would leave your car seat still connected to the anchor points. Something's better than nothing, but you definitely want to compensate it with using your seatbelt. I think most child seats can do a combination of either or of the anchor points or the seatbelt, but obviously refer to your child seat's manual to determine what's the best course of action for securing your child seat. So if Toyota identifies your vehicle as needing the repair, looks like you'd be out of your truck for a little while, at least 8 hours according to the letter for the repair. It could be more, it could be less. It all depends on the scheduling of the third-party collision center, how many vehicle collision centers are around you. So obviously there's so many different variables involved with this. So again, this is a pretty serious safety recall if you have a car seat in the back. So please, check your latch system, or if you have a latch system, look at your manual for your car seat and try to find a secondary means of anchoring your child seat. Like I said, most child seats, I believe, can use the seat belt as well as an anchoring point, but obviously refer to the owner's manual of your car seat. So I'll be visiting the Toyota dealership soon for my first 5,000 mile service. Obviously, I'm going to have them take a look at this. So I'm going to keep you guys in the loop what Toyota says. I'm kind of curious how they're going to determine if the welds are good or not. I would assume they're going to have some load test on it maybe, or maybe they just check the welds. I'm not sure exactly how that works, but I'll try to get some information from my dealer. If you subscribe to this channel, you will get notified when I upload videos. I'm going to keep everyone in the loop in regards to this recall. Again, I appreciate all your support on the channel, and I hope to see you next time.